Hey TinkerBlock makers! Today we're taking button input to the next level by creating a button press counter. This is where your TinkerBlock starts keeping track of things. Super useful for games, user interfaces, and data collection. We're using the same TinkerBlock setup: our lonely binary UNO R3, the Shield, and the TK04 push button. But now we're not just reading the button, we're counting every single press. Here's the key concept. We need to detect when the button state changes from low to high. That's called edge detection. We use a variable called last button state to remember what the button was doing before, so we can spot the exact moment it gets pressed. The magic happens in our if statement. If the current state is high and the last state was low, we've detected a button press. That's when we increment our counter and display the new total. Why do we need this edge detection? Well, buttons can bounce. They might send multiple signals for a single press. By only counting the transition from low to high, we make sure each press only counts once. We also add a small delay, 50 milliseconds, to let the button settle down after each press. This is called debouncing, and it prevents false counts from mechanical switch bounce. The counter variable starts at 0 and increases by 1 every time you press the button. We display the current count in the serial monitor so you can see it updating in real time. Here's what you'll see. Button pressed. Total presses. 1, then 2, then 3, and so on. The built-in LED on the TK04 module still lights up when you press the button, giving you visual feedback too. This technique is incredibly powerful. You could use it to count people entering a room, track game scores, or create a simple voting system. Once you can count button presses, you can build all sorts of interactive projects. The beauty is how simple the logic is. Just detect the edge, increment the counter, and display the result. But this simple concept opens up endless possibilities for your TinkerBlock projects. Try this. Upload the code, open the serial monitor, and start pressing the button. Watch that counter climb with each press. It's satisfying to see your TinkerBlock keeping track of your interactions. This is a fundamental skill that you'll use in almost every interactive project. Button counting is the foundation for user interfaces, games, and data collection systems. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more TinkerBlock tutorials. See you next time.